Sometimes the universe forces us to pause, to disconnect us from the rush of our daily lives. This is a tale of the unexpected solitude, a tale of 14 days cut off from the rest of the world. With no electricity and no network, we discovered a different kind of connection. Come, let me show you how we found joy, warmth and adventure in the slow mountain life. Hey guys, a very good morning with this beautiful view of Kinnaur Himalayas. And आज है डेट 3rd of March, 8 in the morning. और आज स्नोफॉल थोड़ी कम हो गई है, I mean रुक ही गई है ऑलमोस्ट. लेकिन मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ छत पे डोर खोलने, क्योंकि स्नो की वजह से डोर ब्लॉक हो चुका है और वो खुल नहीं रहा है. बट बिफोर दैट आई वांट टू शो यू घर के बाहर का व्यू. इट्स टू अमेजिंग गाइस. I love mountains. Mountains are my home. Every morning I feel very lucky to see these mountains. Being born in Himalayas and having such amazing parents are the best gifts that God has ever given me. And from the last 1 year, I have been living away from my family, alone at my home, living and loving the slow mountain life. Life is pretty slow here in winters. It has been snowing for the last 2 days. And now we are totally disconnected from the rest of the world. But this was just the beginning of those 14 days of unexpected adventure where we discovers the beauty of life. And इसके नीचे गाइस बुलेट है, and ये भी एक बाइक है, वो भी एक बाइक है, पता नहीं कौन सी. बट फिलहाल कुछ भी पहचान में नहीं आ रहा है गाइस. तो गाइस ये डोर लॉक हो चुका है और अंदर से तो बिल्कुल नहीं खुल रहा, और यहाँ से खोलना भी इट्स अ टास्क गाइस. On a beautiful winter morning like this, I love to do 2 things. The first one is light up a warm fire, and then I sip my tea while enjoying the beautiful view of snowy mountain peak.
The morning you and I, it was a warning. I didn't know that someday you might find there was some meaning, but I didn't know that pain.
और इस व्यू के साथ अपनी चाय एंजॉय करने के बाद अब हम जा रहे हैं अपने पुराने घर की छत से बर्फ साफ करने. पहले वो कर लेते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पे कम बर्फ है.
Maybe we'll see that sunshine.
तो गाइस गली क्रॉस करना भी एक स्ट्रगल बन चुका है. सामने बर्फ देखिए, ग्राउंड फ्लोर तो ऑलमोस्ट कवर ही कर चुका है. After the snow stops, the first important thing to do in the morning is to clearing snow from the rooftop. और सुबह आपको काफ़ी लोग अपने घरों की छतों से बर्फ साफ करते हुए दिख जाएंगे. And shoveling snow becomes a part of our daily lives in winters. और कुछ देर बर्फ़ साफ़ करने के बाद पड़ोस की दीदी हमें चाय ऑफ़र करते हैं. और जब तक हम अपना चाय एंजॉय करते हैं तब तक वो हमारे लिए टिफ़िन में लंच ले आते हैं. These small kind gestures reminds me that humanity is still alive. And thank you so much for the lunch Aji if you are watching this. और फ्री की लंच और चाय एंजॉय करने के बाद हम आ जाते हैं अपने दूसरे घर, और यहाँ भी अभी तक हमने कुछ भी साफ़ नहीं किया है. बर्फ़ इतनी ज़्यादा थी कि हमें दोनों घरों की बर्फ़ साफ़ करने में पूरे 2 दिन लगते हैं, और उसके बाद पूरे 2 दिन तक हम बस सोते ही रहते हैं ना. It all started as a gentle snowfall, but as days passed, we realized we are completely cut off from the rest of the world. There was no electricity, no network, and no roads. There was just us and these quiet mountains to give us company. दिन का ज़्यादा वक्त हम घर से बाहर ही बिताते थे बिकॉज टाइम seemed stop inside the house. और इस बार स्नोफॉल इतनी ज़्यादा थी कि हमें विलेज के हर कोने में बस टूटे हुए पेड़ और एवलांच इजीली स्पॉट हो रहे थे. और कुछ जगह पर तो एवलांच ऑलमोस्ट विलेज तक पहुंच चुका था. But people are very happy of the snowfall because this year they don't have to worry much about the water supply for the fields. But even in the hardest of times, people always find different ways to kill their time. And there were people in the marketplace sitting around the school bonfire and sharing some good moments of their life. After roaming around for a whole day, when we came home in the evening, we knew our batteries are died, so we used to light the candles for the dinner. And sometimes my friend would come and we used to sit around the fire and tell stories to each other online. And those were some of the best nights of my life. Just like our lives, weather in Himalayas are also unpredictable. Some days the sun appears and brightens the whole valley. And some days you can barely see any light. All you have around you is just snow. So guys, फिर से snowfall हो रही है. I love snow. It reminds me of the good time of our lives. It reminds me of the days when we were kids because as kids we lived some of the best days of our lives. और आज हम फिर से एक दिन उन बचपन के दिनों की तरह जिएंगे जिन दिनों हम ख्वाबों में जिया करते थे. After 2 weeks living without distractions, now we finally started to loving the slow route of life. As kids, we make some unforgettable moments that are gone, but those moments are very hard to forget. But there is always a way to recapture those small moments. We should never miss any opportunity to relive the joy of our childhood. And there's one more thing which comes in my mind whenever I think about childhood. It reminds me of the school time, which is a very major part of our childhood. और जब भी स्नोफॉल होती थी हम सब काफ़ी खुशी से स्कूल आते थे क्योंकि उस टाइम पे कोई क्लासेस नहीं लगती थी. एंड दिस वॉज द कैंटीन एरिया गाइस. जब हम छोटे होते थे तो हम यहाँ पर पराठे एंड समोसा खाने आते थे. स्वीट मेमोरीज गाइस. वक्त का पता नहीं चलता. ये वक्त था जब हम यहाँ से निकलना चाहते थे ये बड़े हो जाएं, बट हम चाहकर भी वो पल दोबारा नहीं जी सकते. These small little playgrounds and these sweet classrooms holds countless memories because school was our second home where we spent half of our younger time. And coming to school after years makes me a little more nostalgic. This winter was some of the longest and the most unforgettable times of my life. I have done some whole lot of work, talked for hours to my friends. I was hiking to all around the places where I felt most alive. I saw some kind gestures of people around me, and I met some kind souls who just need your company. All these experiences changed my whole perspective about human life. I have become a little more spiritual now, a little more thrill seeker, and a little more kind person. And we should always be kind to every living soul, because the one thing which is common in all of us, that every living soul wants to be happy. So keep spreading love and kindness around you, because this world needs more kind souls. And when we understand that the exact same moment is never gonna come again, that's when we actually start living the life, because life is a beautiful gift of God and we should always live every small moments of it, because you only live once.